Today we're going to dive into the wild art of making your own rope. Imagine you're stranded in the wilderness or just challenging yourself to live off the grid. One of the first skills you'll want to master is making natural rope. It's not only essential for building shelters or setting traps, but it's a survival skill that taps into ancient practices. First up, let's talk grasses. Not all grasses are created equal when it comes to making rope. You'll want to look for long, fibrous species. A great example is raffia, often found in tropical areas. To extract the fibers, you simply peel them from the plant. The key here is to ensure they are dry but still pliable. If they crack while bending, they're too dry. But if they're too wet, they won't hold the twist you're going to apply. Next, we move on to trees. Yes, you heard that right. Certain trees can be excellent sources for making rope. The inner bark of willow and cedar trees is particularly valuable. This layer, known as the cambium, is both strong and flexible. To harvest it, make a cut around the trunk of a young tree and another cut about a meter down. Connect these with a vertical cut and peel away the strip of bark. Again, drying is crucial. Too much moisture and your rope won't hold, too little and it becomes brittle. To turn these materials into rope, the process is straightforward but requires patience. Take your fibers and twist them individually before twisting them together in the opposite direction. This counter-twisting technique ensures the rope stays together, giving it strength and durability. Remember, the quality of your rope can make or break a shelter or a trap, so take your time to practice and perfect this skill. It not only connects you to nature, but to the generations of survivalists who've passed down these invaluable techniques. All right, that's a wrap on making natural rope in the wild. Stay safe, respect nature, and keep honing those survival skills.